Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video we are going to discuss how to enable a camera in your Windows 10 and the 11. So for this, first of all, we need to go to our start button, click here, and after that we have a settings button. Click on the settings button, and after the settings button we need to search about the privacy button and the privacy form where we get that. Simply click on the privacy. There is the privacy option. Click here, and in the privacy option we need to find about the camera. In the bottom you can find that the camera option. Simply click on the camera, and here you can see we have option allow access to the camera on the devices. We can also select the specific devices and also allow apps to access your camera. So here you can see it's currently turned off. So simply to turn on this, simply we need to click here, and here you can see it's turned on. So by simply clicking on here, you can easily turn on your camera access, and it allows all the apps to access your camera. From here, you can also set the devices you want to select for that specific camera. And here we have other options like I want to only give access to that part, that website, and that softwares. Simply you can select the softwares and application you want to give access to that specific camera. So by using this simple step, you can easily access your camera and enable your camera. To get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye.